Hi, I'm a product expert at AFHT Technologies. Welcome to the installation and configuration process of the Advanced Field History Tracker app. Let's get started. First, let's begin by installing the Advanced Field History Tracker app from the Salesforce App Exchange. On your screen, you can see the App Exchange listing page for AFHT. Click on the Get It Now button to start the installation process. After clicking Get It Now, select the appropriate Salesforce org, production or sandbox, accept the terms and conditions, and proceed with the installation. Now select the installation type. It is recommended to install the product for all users to ensure history tracking for everyone. If you prefer not to install it for all users, you can install it for admins only, and later manually assign the AFHT user permission set to grant access to specific users. And then click the Install button to complete the installation successfully. Now go to the App Launcher, search for the Advanced Field History Tracker app, and click on it. You will be navigated to the AFHT Admin tab. Click on the plus icon to create a new field tracking configuration. However, at this point, the user will not be able to click on the plus icon due to a missing permission set. An error message will be displayed indicating that the necessary permissions are not assigned. To configure the necessary permissions, go to the Setup page and search for User. The User Setup page will appear. Click on the user with the system admin profile. Then, click on Permission Set Assignments, select Edit Assignments, and assign the AFHT admin permission set. Save the changes. Now return to the Advanced Field History Tracker app, and you will see that the plus icon is now clickable, allowing you to proceed with creating a field tracking configuration. Then you'll see an Add Field Tracking Configuration pop up. Here you'll need to fill in the details according to your preferences. First, select an object, then choose the fields for tracking, and select the default timeline view. Once done, click on the Save button, and your configuration will be successfully created. Go to any account object record detail page. Now pay attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a gear icon. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From the options provided, click on Edit Page. Next, click on any component/tab section. On the right side of the section, you'll notice an Add Tab button. Click on it. In the tab label drop-down menu, select Custom to enter a custom label for your new tab. Enter your desired label name and click Done. Fantastic. Now that the new tab is created, let's add a component to it. Click on the tab to enter editing mode. Drag the custom component called AFHT Field History Viewer and drop it onto your new tab. You'll also see a Allow Restore checkbox. Check or uncheck this box depending on your preferences, and then you'll also set the height of tabular view. Once you're satisfied, save your changes and activate the page. Now go back to the account record page. You'll see the AFHT Field History Tracker tab. Click on the Details tab to proceed. Here you can edit the fields selected for tracking. Make any necessary updates, and when you're done, click Save. Now click on the AFHT Field History Tracker tab, and you'll be redirected to the selected default horizontal timeline view. Here you'll find the most recent updates to the record history displayed horizontally. If you want to explore the recorded history differently, switch to the vertical timeline view. This provides a vertical layout, offering a fresh perspective on the data. But that's not all. If you prefer a tabular representation of the recorded history, switch on the tabular view. This will present all the updated record histories for the selected field types. And for the rich text area field type, there's an icon provided. Clicking on this icon will take you to the record history page, allowing you to view the updated data of the rich text area field. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@afht.com.